Is adding a voice over to your video is challenging, or you want to add a recorded voice to your video after making your picture? If it's so, as a beginner, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to carry you along how to add voiceover or recorded voice to your video. Now let's go. If you are coming across this video for the first time, I am Lawal Kudrat. I teach practical skills that you can use to make money, grow your brand, or expand your business. If this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like and share, and follow me for more business. Now let's go to our InShot. We are going to use InShot for our video. Okay, so I'm going to use the video that I'm working on, so I don't need to export any video now. So let me click on the draft video to make it fast. Okay, so this is the video that I'm working on. So the first thing here is first remove the watermark. I've removed the watermark. Go to volume, click on volume. You see the volume, so you reduce the volume, everything to 0. Okay, then move to the next one. Click on volume, reduce the volume, then you okay it. Now come back to this icon where you have audio. Click on the icon that look like music. Click on the icon to take you here. So first we want to add voiceover. So you see under this icon now, you see 1 2 3 4. The third one that look like microphone, under it record. So click on it. Now you see it has given us record. This red button is what we are going to use to make our voice over. What we're going to do now, just click on this red button. Super easy. Okay guys, click on it. 2 1. So start recording. You okay it. So this is the video, this is the voice that we've recorded. So if you want to continue the voice, click on this microphone sign, then continue. Then this is the voice now. So if you want to arrange the voice to overlap, so this is how to arrange it. See, it's overlap now. Just arrange it like this. So by the time you are playing it, before one finish, another one will already pick under it. This is how to lay voice over on your video that's already made. So let's go to delete. Let's delete this. Now if you want to use the voice that we've recorded either on Labs or any app that you have recorded your video, what you need to do is come to this icon that look like music. Click on it. It will take you to this place. Look at this place where they wrote open from. Click on open from. Guys, are you following? Click on open from. It will take you to your file. Then you can see drive my file. Then click on my file. Brought us to our file. Let me move this my picture down. So yes, click on my file. So you may have the video recorded in your internal storage, all right, or it could be in your SD card. So it depends on where the voice is. So I don't have anything in my own card, my memory card, but everything is my internal storage. So this is one of the video, and by the time you are doing the voice recording, you must have named it. If you don't name it, when you save it, when you get here, you may not know the actual voice recorded that you want to use. So okay guys, when you have recorded your voice, you name it. So when you get here, you know the actual one you want to use. So click on the one you want to use. So come here, you have a lot there, then you pick the one that you want to use from it. So let me choose the first one. Then look at the button, click on done. Yeah, this is the music now. this is the voice over here. This is the voice over. The next thing is to okay it. So let me play it. I did not play the, so let me play it. That is the voice, that is the music that I pick. If you know that, if you notice that that is not what the lady is saying, but that is the voice that I pick, the music that I pick on it. And even if it is even if it is music, maybe you have a music on your phone that you want to use for a particular video, maybe for your vlog, you go, that's how you are going to do it. Follow it step by step the way I did it, then you bring it here to your InShot, then you lay it on any of your video that you want to use. Thank you very much if you have watched up to this level. I remain your host, Lawal Kudirat. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and follow me for more business tips. Bye bye.